Well, of course, February is one of the most snowiest months here in western Massachusetts. So far this February, not a lot of us have seen much snow, but in history, we've seen some big snowstorms within the first 2 weeks of February. So here's a list of some of the biggest February snowstorms we've seen here in western Massachusetts. Of course, the blizzard of 78 takes the #1 spot. This was February 6th to the 7th with 20.5 inches of snow falling in Springfield. Of course, February 8th to the 9th of 2013. I think most of us can remember that, 20 inches of snow. And then we fall back into the upper teens for these snowfall totals. 1958, 19.4 inches, tied also with 2001, February 5th to the 6th, 19.4 inches of snow. And coming in the bottom spot, which is still a lot of snow, over a foot and a half, 18.4 inches on February 17th to 18th of 2003. And of course, this is all typical. You can see the numbers here. Within the first 2 weeks of February is when historically we have seen some of the biggest snowfalls we've seen here in western Massachusetts. Working for you, I'm Twin Cities Storm Team meteorologist Chris Bazakis.